Hi friends, welcome to my channel. It's Pranita and today we are diving into another day in my life. Yes.
Mama, there's a big muddy puddle. I can't wait to jump in it.
You're not a Peppa Pig.
There's a muddy puddle here, there's a muddy puddle there. I don't even think we're gonna go outside here. I might, because I can recess and I'll do jumping down the muddy puddle. Push, 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 push.
See, look, it's only 1 minute to 8 out there.
What? No! I'm gonna go party. Yeah.
Yes, today's vlog is going to be a cozy one. Since it's a rainy day, I'm just taking you along through a slow day. It's perfect for cozy vibes and warm of coffee. But well, with kids, it's all love and rhymes with little giggles in our mornings. నువ్వు ఎలాగో నడవడం కష్టం అవుతుంది చెప్తానమ్మా దిగు ఇక్కడ దిగు బాయ్ Adya's school is 12 minutes away from our home and we start in between 7:30 and 7:38. Most of the time we make it on time to school, but sometimes it's like a race and it is that day as it was raining and we couldn't make it. Adya just got down and finally one kid off to school and now going back home for round 2 to make my toddler get ready to daycare. Usually the nights before the mornings end up with her cozy bubble baths. Now it's time for me to juggle with Iha's breakfast. Count your fingers. 5 I gave her oats, cooked and mashed some banana chunks in it. And she loved eating it. Of course, because she loves bananas a lot. No water? I'll open. Let's drink some water. After she is done with her breakfast, I prefer to comb her hair while she is in her foot chair itself, as it is easy for me to handle her and her hair. Iha's hair is so soft and her silky strands will always tangle up. Even though her hair looks lot of messy, but the hair holds all the magic in the world. Isn't it? The toddlers are like that. Now she's all set and ready for her daycare. Hi, huh? Bye. Say bye-bye to Mama. Bye-bye. Let's start the school. Another day. Ah, it's raining outside? Yes. Rain go away. Come again another day. Little Eva wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had some doggies, E-I-E-I-O. Morning car concerts are officially a thing now. No radio needed, just one tiny voice and a whole lot of heart. These are the little things I never want to forget. Toddler tunes, and it's always live from the backseat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had some horsey, E-I-E-I-O. With a nay here and a nay there, here nay, there nay, everywhere nay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. After dropping off my toddler at daycare, I'm heading back home to reset and focus for the day ahead. Thanks for spending this morning with us. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more of our everyday moments. See you tomorrow.